Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to change your status in Xbox One to appear offline. This can be useful if you want to play games on your Xbox One or just use your Xbox One without appearing online and being bothered by your friends or other people. One great thing about appearing offline is it does not prevent you from playing online games or even playing with other people. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to appear offline on your Xbox One. All right, so the first thing we need to do from the home screen of our Xbox One is simply hit the Xbox button in the center of our controller. This will bring up the menu. Use LB on your controller to go to the left all the way until you get to your gamer image. Once you see your gamer image, it should say sign in. Select the profile that you want to appear offline. And then once that opens up, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says appear online, select that, and in the menu, select appear offline. As you can see under my gamer tag, it now says appearing offline. And if I want to appear back online, all I need to do is scroll to the bottom, select appear offline, and then go up to appear online. And then I will be back to appearing online and visible to all my friends on my Xbox One. All right, so that's how you appear offline on an Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.